Waterfall. This is the world's largest indoor waterfall.
Welcome to my Asia travel vlog. Let us just admit, it is very hard to pass time on a layover. Nobody enjoys layovers because they think there is nothing to do in airports. But if you are landing in Singapore, you might not have to grit your teeth and count down the hours. Welcome to Singapore Changi Airport. This vlog is going to be about the most coolest thing that this airport offers, the Jewel. Singapore airport is so massive that it runs its own metro trains. So it's called Skytrain and it takes you from one terminal to the other terminal. We would be going to T3 terminal from here. We would be taking the Skytrain. This is how the Skytrain looks like. Mini bus, you can say. Jewel Changi Airport, also known as Jewel, is a nature-themed entertainment and retail complex on the inside of the Changi Airport. This complex is linked to three of its passenger terminals, Terminal 1, 2 and 3. Its centerpiece is the world's tallest indoor waterfall, the Rain Vortex, which is surrounded by a terraced forest setting. It was an absolutely marvelous experience for me to witness this giant rain vortex. This glass dome features the world's tallest indoor waterfall, which is 40 meters tall and is known as the Rain Vortex. It's worth noting that all of the water is harvested from naturally occurring rain. The waterfall sits at the center of the forest valley, a lush sanctuary of plants and shrubs with walking trails that lead you to the canopy park. This garden contains over 2,000 trees and 100,000 shrubs. This forest valley is one of the Asia's largest indoor garden, spanning 5 stories at around 22,000 square meters. I wonder this is one of the reasons out of thousands which makes Singapore Changi Airport the world's best airport consecutively for last 7 years. If you prefer shopping, Jewel is a trendy retail arena with renowned brands along with concept stores and merchandise exclusive to the mall. Singapore's Jewel Changi Airport is now a lifestyle hub that is trying to lure travelers with a giant indoor waterfall, a forest valley and gardens. This is such a marvelous piece of engineering, I would say. Thank you for watching. In my next vlog, I will be exploring Singapore downtown.